In this video, I show you step by step how to format USB drive on MacBook. I'm a MacBook user. Anytime I have to format my USB drive, I connect it to my Windows PC and format. If you go to your Windows PC, connect to your USB drive, and once it pop up, just simply right click on the USB stick and you will find the options called format. You click on format and there's a couple more things you have to do. Then press start and say OK one more time and yes, and it will start formatting. But if you connect the same USB stick on MacBook, then you will not find that option. So now in this video, I have a solution for that one. I show you how to format your USB drive on MacBook. Now let's start. On MacBook, I'm going to plug in my USB drive to my MacBook. As soon as you plugged in, it will take a couple seconds. You will see it's going to pop up over here. So I have a USB drive connected already. Now, if you right click here, you will not see format. Another hand, if you go to Windows PC and you just plug in your USB drive and go to your USB stick and right click and you will see format as you can see now. Let's move back on my MacBook and I show you how. So now we have a connected USB drive on our MacBook. We are going to click on a finder here at the bottom. Just click on a finder. We are going to click on a application folder. As you can see, I have clicked on application folder. Then we are going to click. We have to find utility here. We are going to click on utility. And from here, we need to find desk utility here. Just say desk utility, double click. You will see this one. Now we have all the desks are connected to our MacBook are here. So top Macintosh HD and HD data, those are our MacBook. So we're not going to do anything to that one. So don't do anything. Now we're going to click on USB disk. As you can see, you can also recognize by the name. So I have a USB disk here. From here, we are going to click on erase. But before you erase, if you have any data in your USB drive or you are going to format, you need to make sure you copy and paste. In my case, I have one file. I will bring it here. So now I have moved all my file, all my data on my desktop, or you can do on other USB drive. Now simply just click on erase. Now here I have a USB disk name. You can change name here if you want. You can also click here. You need to move what kind of format are you going to do. You're going to exFAT, MS-DOS, FAT. I do either one. So just for sample, but you can do according to your need. Now just say erase. It will take a couple seconds and your disk is already formatted. So once it format, it will say erase process is completed. Click done to continues. Done. Now we done. We have a format our USB disk and MacBook. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with a new topic.